So we're going to start off with the factor tree again. 480 can be divided into 48 times 10. We could also have done 2's, breaking it down step by step, but since we can clearly see that it's some number times 10, we can cut out a lot of the work. So now we can do 48 equals 12 times 4, and 10 equals 2 times 5. So 48 can be divided into 3 times 4 and 2 times 2, which equals 2 times 2. So therefore, 480 equals 2 to the 5th times 3 times 5. Meanwhile, 330 can be 33 times 10, which is 3 and 11, or 2 and 5. So 330 equals 2 times 3 times 5 times 11. So the LCM, as we've stated before, is the highest power that appears. So the highest power that appears would be 2 to the 5, 3 to the 1, 5 to the 1, 11 to the 1. So equals 2 to the 5 times 3 times 5 times 11, which would equal 2 to the 5 is 32 times 3 times 5 times 11, which would equal 5,280. Meanwhile, the GCF, I'll go in blue, will be the common between each of them, which is 2 to the 1, 3 to the 1, 5 to the 1. 2 times 3 times 5, which equals 30. So therefore, that's how you find the LCMs and the GCFs of two given numbers.